Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jamie, and today I am going to be bringing you guys a haul video. I really don't film hauls because it's very rare for me to have one large shopping trip that I want to share with you guys. It's usually just like a little something here, little something there. But yeah, I went shopping. Are going to haul some stuff that I picked up at Ulta. Ulta was having a sale about a month ago. I tried filming this about a month ago before I went on vacation, but my SD card corrupted and I didn't have time to get a new one. So here we are a month later filming this video. I'm really happy with the stuff that I picked up. I got it all on really good deals, and then I got a couple of things at CVS as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have picked up recently, then just keep watching. I'll just start with the things that I got at CVS just because it's less, and then I will get into what I bought at Ulta. I went to a new CVS. Why do I keep snapping? I went to a new CVS today, and my mind was kind of blown just a little. They sell Dermalogica at the CVS. They sell Peter Thomas Roth, which I don't buy because it's not cruelty free, but that's an expensive brand. And they also had a huge LA Girl section, which the CVS that I had been going to before had a very crappy makeup selection. And they didn't have LA Girl. But this CVS had an entire display, and I walked in and I'm pretty sure my jaw literally dropped, and people were probably like, what's the matter with you? But I was really excited. So I got two things from LA Girl. The first thing I got is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil in medium brown. I have used this before and I really do like it, so I just wanted a backup of that. And then I also got this eyeliner, which I am wearing on my waterline today. This is the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Royal Blue. I'll give you guys a swatch, but like I said, it is on my waterline today. That is what it looks like. It was so pigmented and really creamy. It doesn't tug at the waterline at all, and it was really easy to smudge out as well. So far I'm really liking that. Very happy with that purchase. I also picked up two E.L.F. primers because it was buy one get one 50% off. I got the Tone Adjusting Primer. I have had this before and I really do like it. It says that it's a neutralizing green color, and I really do find that this helps with neutralizing redness on my face, which is always a plus. And then I got the Poreless Face Primer. This is more of like a white to clear color, and I've heard Nicole Renee Cutler say that she really likes this. I used it today. Of course I'm gonna have to keep like testing it out and such, but it did really make my skin very smooth, and I did notice that it did kind of fill in my pores. So I have high hopes for this. I really love E.L.F. as a brand, and their primers have really been impressing me lately, so I'm really happy to pick those up. Now let's get into the big mama drama over here. Ulta. The thing that I got that I was most excited for is this baby. This is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. This is just the Masquerade palette, but in a mini edition, which I think is like still a perfect size. This is what she looks like. I'm wearing this today. I have Burkina in my crease, then I have Fulani in like the crease and outer corner, and then I have Molly all over my eyelid, and then I put Dahlia on the lower lash line. I've been using this nonstop and I really cannot get enough of it. I think that it's the perfect balance of neutrals and colors, and the neutrals are so pretty. I really love this gold colored Dahlia right here. It's really just a stunning palette all around, and I'm really excited to keep playing with it. I feel like the possibilities are endless with this one, so I'm really happy with that purchase. I got some brushes because I forget what the deal was exactly, but the Real Techniques brushes were on sale. I got two with like these glitter handles. They're called their Brush Crush line, I guess. So this is the 300 powder brush. I used this today for bronzer. It's really soft. I just think it's very like aesthetically pleasing to look at, and it was very soft, so I'm really excited about that. And then I also got this is the 305 shadow brush. So that is what that looks like. Of course it's dirty because I used it today, but it's just a nice like fluffy but not too fluffy brush. So excited about those. And then I got a couple of Essence brushes, which I didn't even know that they had brushes. These were all $1. And I got these in store. I got 3, right? Yeah. So I got the eye blender brush. I got 2 of those because look at these fun patterns. I really bought them because of the patterns, but these are the eye blender brushes. Again, these were $1. I tried using these like in my crease today and they're a little too fluffy for that, so I feel like I'm going to be primarily using these just to go in with nothing on the brush, just to blend out some edges. So I really like both of those. I love this pattern. I think it's so cute. So bought those. Good job, Essence. You pulled me in with your packaging. And then this is the Smoky Eyes brush. I actually really like how they have the names on the ferrules there. But that is what the Smoky Eye brush looks like. I love brushes like this for like outer corner work and like more detailed crease work. So far I'm really happy with those. And again, they were only $1. I got another Real Techniques item. I got the Brush Crush Diamond Sponge. I'm really excited about this. So this is just their diamond sponge in like a special pink and purple pattern. I know that Casey Holmes used to use like the regular one, and I don't know, I've heard a couple people talk about it, so I'm just really excited to try that out and see what I think of it. I got a couple of things from Lottie London. Oh, I forgot I got this foundation. Okay, well I got a couple of things from Lottie London. I got the Selfie Ready Medium Coverage Foundation in Toasted Almond. That is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. You can really not see it. Oh, there we go. It's a really cute packaging. It is a like squeezy tube situation, and I am excited to try that out. Like I said, I totally forgot that I bought that, so I'll try that out soon and I will let you guys know how that goes. And then I got the Blush Crush Powder Blusher in the shade Nick. I am wearing this today. It is a bit of a glittery blush, and it's more of like a hot, like cool toned pink color. So I have this on my cheeks, and then I kind of just like went in with a dual fiber brush and just kind of blended it out because it was a little clownish on me. I can't really decide if I'm going to keep this or return it. With blush, if I'm not like really into it, I know that I'm not going to reach for it, and I'm at a point in my life where I just can't be wasting money. So we will see. I'll see like how much it was and whatever. I'll see. And then I got another blush. This is from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the Crazy Pink blush. Now this is more of a like cool toned mauve-y pink shade, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's very cool toned, very mauve. I think this is really cool. It's more like a lilac almost. It's unlike anything in my collection, which is the main reason I got it. I also got it because I'm pretty sure this was $7. But also, I thought I was going to be getting like, you know, there are blushes that are like full size. I didn't realize this was going to be a mini. I could have looked at like the size of it online, but I mean, I'm not complaining. It is a really pretty color, and I'm excited to use it. It seems to blend out really well, and it's very soft. So I am really excited that I picked that up. Got a couple of contouring products because queen of contouring over here. Just kidding, I never contour, but people always talk about these and I just wanted to join the club, okay? So this is the Catrice Prime and Fine Professional Contouring Palette. I got it in the shade Ashy Radiance. This is what she looks like. You have your contour powder and then a highlighting powder. I know that I've heard people say they don't really like the highlighting powder. So I kind of already have that in my mind that I'm not going to like it, but I did use the contour today, and I think it gave me a nice shadow. I mean, I am not a contouring expert by any means. I'm not even like a novice. I'm like below that. But I want to be better at it because I feel like contouring can really just amplify a look and just kind of make you enhance your features that you already have, which I am all about. Then I got this from Physicians Formula. Come on, man. Oop, I broke it. And we're breaking it. Okay, that's happening. I got the Bronze Booster palette. This is by Physicians Formula. Like I said, this is the Bronze Booster Highlight and Contour Palette in Matte Sculpting. So these are all matte powders. You have your highlight, your contour, and your bronzer. Really excited about this. I have heard many people talk about these powders, and I was just really intrigued and wanted to try it for myself, and I'm pretty sure I got this at a good price, but that highlighting powder looks amazing. These are all just so creamy. Like, those swatches really impressed me just now. So yeah, I'm really excited to give that a try and see what I think of it, because I feel like it's gotten a lot of hype. Maybe not as of recently, but in the past it's been hyped. This was like a freebie that I got. This was a Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer in color correcting. So this is kind of along the same lines of that E.L.F. one. I do like the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, so I got another eyebrow pencil. This is from J.Cat Beauty, and this is in the shade Brown. I am wearing this on my brows today, and this was my first time using it. It is nice. It's not overly waxy. It's actually really not waxy at all. Wow, okay, I'm the queen of swatching over here. Here we are. Yep, that's it right there. Okay, that's it right there. There we are. Well, you can see it in my brows. Like, that's all I have in my brows. Well, I did top it with the Essence Make Me Brow, but like, it did a good job. I'm enjoying my brows today. I feel like it was really easy to get like thin stroke. Oh, and it has a spoolie on the other end, which I really do appreciate. And yeah, I'm really excited. I have never tried J.Cat Beauty or Lottie London. Those are the two brands in this haul that I've never tried before, so I am just super pumped to be trying them finally, because I have had my eye on the brands for a while. And then the last thing that I purchased was this lip color from Dose of Colors. This is the Lip It Up Satin Lipstick in the shade Parfait. It is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. So I'm not really sure if it's like marketed as matte, but it definitely is matte. But it was so creamy going on the lips. I was kind of flabbergasted a little bit. I really like this color. I was a little afraid when I swatched it. I was like, oh, that's gonna make my teeth look hella yellow, and it's not gonna go with any looks, and I'm just gonna hate it. But I was like, calm down, Jamie, it's okay. Let's just put it on the lips and see what we think, and I like it. So the only thing that I do not like about this lipstick, you can't turn this down. This is just the default way that the lipstick comes. And it freaks me out, because I can just see my dumbass just shoving it into the cap and just chopping it off. And I'm really nervous that I'm going to do that. So I am like the most careful person in the world when I put this cap back on. Other than that, packaging, 10 out of 10. Nice rose gold. Got the logo there that you can't see because it's so reflective. I'm pretty sure that you can twist more up, but I am terrified to do that because I don't think you can twist it back down, so we'll just have to see. Time will tell. But so far, really comfortable. I mean, of course I'll have to see like how long it lasts and everything like that, but so far, I really like it. I totally lied. I bought one more thing. So this is the J.Cat Waterproof Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. You can see it's like a solution where it's like blue and then not blue. I actually used this today because I did this look and then I hated the eyes. I hated how they came out, so I took it off. Thankfully I did my eyes before my face, which I never do. But I used a cotton round. Oh, I also bought Ulta cotton rounds. That's not important. That's not exciting. I used cotton round and I just used this to remove, and it removed everything really well, and it didn't sting or irritate my eyes, and I was pretty happy with it. So yeah, pretty cool. And I totally forgot I made a Sephora order because the VIB appreciation sale event was going on, and I mean, they don't appreciate us that often, so you gotta take advantage when they do. So I bought one thing because I was a good girl, and it's in my bathroom right now, but here's the box. It is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial Licient? The Sakari Baby Facial. It is a resurfacing and revealing mask, and it comes with a little sample of the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, which I really appreciate because apparently it's best if you use them both together. I used this once so far, and I mean, I like it. I didn't see like instant results, but I don't think that that's really the point. I feel like it's supposed to be like a gradual thing. Samantha March always raves about this amongst many others, so I'm really excited to finally have it, and I got it at pretty good price because I got 20% off because I'm a rouge, because I have a problem. I used to have a problem. It's telling me that I need to spend like $500 more to maintain until next year, and I don't think I'm gonna do it. So I mean, I'm gonna pat myself on the back for that one because I spent a lot of money on makeup last year. It's really hard to think about, but yeah, so I got this, and hopefully it will make my texture disappear and my pores vanish. And then I got 2 freebies. I think these are both 100-point perks. So I got the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse Clarifying Japanese Loofah Fruit Extract. I think this is just a cleanser for normal to oily skin. Yeah, it's a daily, deeply purifying cleanser with exfoliating Japanese loofah fruit that gently lifts impurities, unclogs pores, and balances moisture for soft, refreshed skin. Directions: apply to wet face, avoid eyes, rinse. Yeah, haven't tried it yet. And then this is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I was really excited to get this because this is kind of one of those cult favorites that I've never tried. I am wearing it on my lashes today. You hear my stomach? My stomach just made the weirdest sound. And I really appreciated the way that it applied. It has a natural bristle wand, which I really like. It's very black, very easy to apply. Didn't get a lot of smudging. Yeah, I mean, I can't tell if it like transfers or anything yet. I'll have to wear it to work and kind of judge it from there. But I'm excited that I have this finally in my collection, and with that, that's gonna do it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want any specific videos pertaining to any of the items that I featured today. Do you want me to do a get ready with me? Do you want me to do a palette bingo with the Masquerade mini? Do you want me to do, I don't know, anything else? I will do a haul update video in a couple of weeks to let you guys know how I'm getting along with these products. But other than that, guys, I think that's gonna do it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!